జ్యోతిర్గమయ, అంధకారం నుండి వెలుగుకు నడిపించు అని అర్థం. ఈ అంధకారాన్ని తొలగించి ఇదిగో మళ్ళీ చూడండి అంటూ శంకర నేత్రాలయ చేతులతో ఎంతోమందికి కంటి చూపించ ఇస్తుంది. It is my pleasure to introduce the first item. It's actually by Little Musicians Academy by రామాచారి గారు. మన సంగీత సాంప్రదాయానికి మూలం వేదాలు, ఆ వేదాల నుంచే పుట్టినవే సప్త స్వరాలు. అలాంటి పవిత్రమైన సంగీతాన్ని జీవిత ధ్యేయంగా తీసుకొని వేలాది మంది పిల్లలకు అందిస్తున్న శ్రీ కోమండూరి రామాచారి గారు సంగీత గురువులు ఈ ఎల్ఎంఏని 1999లో ఎస్పి బాలసుబ్రహ్మణ్యం గారి ఆశీర్వాదాలతో మొదలుపెట్టారు. గురు ఇందిరా శ్రీరాల ఒక నిష్ణాతులైన కూచిపూడి కళాకారిణి. ఆవిడ కేవలం భారతదేశంలోనే కాకుండా ఐసీసీఆర్ ద్వారా ఎన్నో దేశాల్లో, యూరోప్, కెనడా, అమెరికాలో కూడా భారతదేశానికి ప్రాతినిధ్యం వహించారు. ఆమె కళాత్మక ప్రయాణంలో భారతదేశంలోని అత్యంత ప్రసిద్ధ శాస్త్రీయ చిహ్నాలైనటువంటి వాటితో కూడా సహకారం అందుకొని షీ వాజ్ ఇన్స్ట్రుమెంటల్ ఇన్ కమ్యూనికేటింగ్ ది ఆర్ట్ ఫామ్. In 2001, she started Kuchipudi Dance Center, continues to its mission to promote Indian art, culture and values. And she has been doing this for the past 20 years. It is my pleasure to welcome the students of Guru Indira Sriram Leela Kuchipudi Dance Center, Sri Vigna Rajam Bhaje.
Sri Vigna Rajam Bhaje. राजं भजेहं 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 भजे तमिह श्रीविघ्नराजं भजे.
The next item is Kala Gangotri Foundation Guru Akhila Chetan Steen. The item is Swara Sloka. వినాయక కౌతం 2 అంశాలు. రెండవది శివాష్టకం. నాట్యతత్వ శ్రీ సాయి వెంకటేశ్వర ఫైన్ ఆర్ట్స్ గురు రేణుకా నూకల గారి కార్యక్రమం.
గణపతి కౌతం ప్రసన్నవదనం
ప్రభుం ప్రాణనాథం విభుం విశ్వనాథం జగన్నాథనాథం సదానందభాజం.
The next item, film medley presentation, choreographer Chaitanya Jurur. The next item is Ganapati Talam by Chinmayi Nrityalaya, Guru Sridevi Mungara.
सुर सुर गणपति सूत्रलकेशं ऋषि ऋषि गणपति यज्ञ
Thank you, Chinmaya Nrityalaya, Ganapati Talam. That was a wonderful performance. Film and folk medley presentation, Kuchindriya Dance Group. Enjoy the program.
चटाकवी गलच्छल प्रवाह पाविक स्थले गले विलम्ब लम्बिताम्बुजंग तुंग मालिका मोट्ट 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 मन्निनाद वड्ड मर्वयं चकार चंड तांडवं तनोतु नः शिवाय
Wow, I think you can see there is true passion about music and dance from these ladies and celebrating rhythm, color and pure joy on stage. I really want to thank Kuchindriya Dance Program, a wonderful and energetic performance. Next item is Urdhva Tandavam by Siddhendra Kuchipudi Art Academy. Guru Swati Atluri, welcome Siddhendra Kuchipudi Dance Academy students. Thank you. Urdhva Tandavam by Siddhendra Kuchipudi Dance Academy, Guru Swati Atluri. Thank you so much. You have delivered a wonderful program and performance, and also performers. Thank you. The next item is classical fusion item, Saupandika Dance Academy, Guru Malini Nair. Wow, that's amazing performance by Saupandika Dance Academy from Guru Malidi Nair. Thank you so much. The next item is Shambho Mahadeva Kuchipudi Dance Center, Guru Indira Srirama.
शंभो महादेव ननु जोडरा पार्वती प्रियकर जटाधर शिव शंकर ननु ब्रोवरा शंभो महादेवा
Thank you so much, Kuchipudi Dance Center, for this wonderful performance. The fashion show that you've been waiting for, Padma Mona and Radhika Ganne both have coordinated with tradition, modern flair, and pure personality come together in a joyful celebration of culture and confidence.
भ्रमराधिपते जय महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते ఎక్కడ ఉందో తారక నాలో ఉక్కిరి బిక్కిరి ఊహలు రేపే గోపిక
తస్మైక భోగరస్మైక రాగ హిందోళం అంగాంగ తేజ శృంగార భావ సుకుమార సుందరం అతిరేటి డ్రెస్సు మేనేస్తే అతిరేటి లక్కు మీరిస్తే తడా అమీకు తడా ఓ మధు
Claps to all the participants who did an excellent job. And we have a lot of community leaders here. So we wanted to invite all the community leaders. Upendra Chivukula garu. He needs no introduction. Upendra Chivukula means that's a brand. Saidanta Peetam, founder and chairman Raghu Sharma Shankaramach garu. Thank you for all the hospitality and Rose Temple Koste. You provide the food and all the hospitality and manchiga darshanam kuda cheyincharu. TFAS President Madhu Anna, NATS President Srihari Mandadi garu, MATA President Kiran Duddagi, Secretary Vijay Bhaskar, Vasavi Society President Bhaskar Bhopati garu, Mana TV CEO Sridhar garu is here, County Commissioner Candidate Rakesh Ganta and TTA Secretary Shiva Reddy Kolla. He is there, please come, otherwise I will be representing the TTA. Leaders from the NATA, ATA or TANA.
Now it is my pleasure to invite all the dance gurus onto the stage, please. The gurus whose students performed today, please come onto the stage and receive a token of felicitation for your continuous commitment.
Excellent performance. So,
Malini Nair garu, please come on the dais. Awesome job, awesome.
please give them a big round of applause to every academy. They did wonderful, wonderful
awesome,
performance.
awesome.
So you need
Thank
to keep
you, Malini
clapping.
ji. We thoroughly enjoyed, and
Yeah.
thank you for coming and participating. Community help,
Thank
you.
Guru Renuka Garu and her students. Please, everybody, please come onto the dais.
Awesome, Renuka garu. Thank you so much once again. Maybe I should do this at the same time. Chinmayi Nitralaya, please come on to the dais with your students.
Sridevi Gari Academy and her students. Thank you. So please keep, clapping for their hard work. Everybody is working for the last 2-3 months. So you need to give them.
Akhila Chaitanya Jurru garu, please come on the dais. Thank you so much, Amma. Come. You can take a picture.
Thank you. Thank you.
We have one more dance teacher, can you guess? Our own Indira Sriram Dikshit garu. Her students did an excellent job. Now we invite all of them to come here, all the students. She is also board of trustee for Shankaran Netralaya.
Please.
Thank you, sir.
She's one of the newest trustees. She hardly have few months experience in Shankar Netralaya, but she rose to the occasion, and when we requested, she spent a lot of time to make this program successful. She will be recognized. Felicitation will be done from our brand ambassador Prasad Reddy Garu.
Thank you. Awesome. Thank you, Andy. Thank you.
First.
Yeah. Thanks so much.
So,
Radhika garu, please. Fashion show lead. Awesome. Padma Mona garu. Also Padma Mona. Yeah.
ఇంకోటి ఉందా?
లేదండి.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Photo.
Please come.
It is like a China wall.
Please come. Picture.
Okay.
Thank you.
We have all the dignitaries here. They are like the face of New Jersey. Especially we are here with Saidata Peetam Guru Raghu Garu, Tarata Upendra Chivukula Garu. He needs no introduction in United States, not just in New Jersey. And all the association leaders. And I call all the media people, I requested if they are there, please come. But I always call Sridhar Chillara Garu. He is NRI media mogul. Like Ramanayudu we call movie mogul. He is NRI media mogul. So any TV9, Sakshi, any media, please come on to the dais. I tried to call Simha, I could not get him. Everybody please come on. In their presence, we want to quickly recognize our sponsors, first Krishna Bala, he came all the way from New York and I requested him to wait. Every year they are supporting. Thank you Krishna ji and his missus. Every year $30,000 comes, we can do 2 eye camps, adoptive village eye camps in India. So please give them a round of applause, please. Thank you Krishna Garu. So I told Sridhar Chillara Garu, he is from Mana TV, USA, founder, president, chairman, everything whatever is needed for Mana TV and also TV5 USA chairman. Thank you Sridhar Garu, please come on to the Upendra Garu will felicitate with a shawl. Thank you. Satish Ramaya Pillai and Kalai Vani Panneer Selvam. He is the sponsor for Adoptive Village. Thanks to Rekha Garu, she is the one who facilitated this sponsor. Thank you. And Dr. S. Yagna Subramanian, he is I think the Dharma Trust owner, and also when last time we did the Sankarnetralaya program organized by Srinivas Ganagoni, he donated $10,000, so we thought of recognizing, and I heard he is in India. Yeah. On behalf of Dr. Yagna Subramanian, I request Damu Gedal Garu to receive this award from Prasad Reddy Garu. Srini and Jyoti Bikumanla, please come. Thank you. Now we have to actually appreciate all of you for being patiently watching, and we'll finish very quickly because the sponsors, without them we cannot do the eye camps. Each eye camp needs $12,500. So please understand that, and we'll finish. And like I told you, last program of Sankarnetralaya was organized by Srinivas Ganagoni. Now he is the MATA founder. On behalf of Srini Ganagoni, Kiran Garu will receive the recognition from Prasad Reddy Garu. Thank you, sir. Tarvata, our Sankarnetralaya trustee Adi Morreddy from Phoenix, Arizona, and his wife Rekha Reddy Garu from Phoenix, Arizona. She is Women Committee Chair. So we want to recognize both of them here. Tarvata, in the beginning I told this person needs no introduction in America, not just in New Jersey. He is none other than Sri Upendra Chukula Garu. He is New Jersey Board of Public Utilities. He will receive recognition from our Prasad Reddy Garu, and shawl from Raj Modi, our another advisor from New York. And Prasad Reddy Garu and Chukula Garu both are from Nellore. If anybody from Nellore is here, all are Nellore, okay. And today's guest of honor and our Sankarnetralaya's Board of Advisor from New York, Dr. Rajendra Modi. He will receive recognition from Prasad Reddy Garu, shawl from Upendra Chukula Garu. He is the senior most trustee of Sankarnetralaya USA. He has been serving since 1982. And then we promoted him as our Board of Advisor. He is ophthalmologist from New York. He is a Rajasthani. But he is the kind of non-profit organizations. People move on like a new movies. Durandar 1, Durandar 2, but he is still with Shankar Netralaya. Thank you very much, Modi ji. Dr. Priya Korapati, she is from New Jersey. She was our trustee. Now she is CME chair. Okay, she is here. Priya sponsored 2 eye camps. Out of 2, she went to India, organized 1 eye camp in Maripadu, Nellore. And she called me yesterday, Balanna, I want to do 2 more camps. So she has contributed for 2 camps, pledged for 2 more camps. So total contribution from Priya is $50,000. So she will receive recognition from Prasad Reddy Garu. Priya is also from Nellore. So many Nellurians here today. Please clap them because it's a lot of money, $50,000, right? So they deserve some appreciation. Thank you. Thank you, Priya. Like I said, I don't want to take much time, but it's time for when we watch Oscars or Filmfare, we give all the awards. Finally, we wait for Best Actor, Best Hero or Best Movie. So today we have to recognize our today's chief guest, Sri Prasad Reddy Katam Reddy Garu. So I would like to request Sri Upendra Chukra Garu and Sri Datta Pitam founder Raghu Garu together come and do the felicitation to Prasad Reddy Garu. Please come in the middle. Please come to the middle.
Pramila Gopu garu, you also need to be on the stage, our cultural coordinator.
See, I want to tell our chief guest in Katte Kotte Teche. He contributed $525,000, the richest donor to Shankara Netralaya since we started in America in 1988. So with his contribution, we can establish 1 mobilized surgical unit in any place in India. Prasad Reddy Garu and his wife Sobha Reddy Garu, she could not come today. They have been doing tremendous support. $500,000, think about how much it is, but they did 525,000 and they have already completed 7 eye camps. They did 7 eye camps and they are going to do, I don't know how many eye camps because their money we can do eye camps year long every year. Thanks to Prasad Reddy Garu. So mana Guru Garu chinna ఆశీర్వాదం.
సాయిరామ్ శ్రీమాత్రే నమః. ఇలాంటి మహానుభావులు ఉండబట్టే ఇంకా ఎన్నో కార్యక్రమాలు మనందరం చేయగలుగుతున్నాం. కాబట్టి వారు ఇలా ఈరోజు సహాయం చేసిన ప్రతి ఒక్కళ్ళు దాతలందరూ చల్లగా ఉండాలని కోరుకుంటూ ఓం పర్యాప్త్య అనంతరాయాయ సర్వస్థోమోతిరాత్ర ఉత్తమమహర్భవతి సర్వస్యాప్త్యై సర్వస్య జిత్యై సర్వమేవ తేనాప్నోతి సర్వం జయతి శతం జీవ శరదో వర్ధమాన ఇత్యభినిగమో భవతి శతమితి శతం దీర్ఘమాయుః శతమానం భవతి శతాయ పురుష శతేంద్రియ ఆయుష్యేవేంద్రియైర్ ప్రతిష్టతి. సాయినాథ శ్రీమాత అనుగ్రహ కటాక్షద్రస్తు. దాతలకే కాకుండా శంకర నేత్రాలయం ఎవరైతే బోర్డ్ ఆఫ్ ట్రస్టీలు కానీ ఇంత చక్కగా చేస్తున్నారో వారందరికీ కూడా శ్రీమాత వెంకటేశ్వర స్వామి అనుగ్రహ ప్రాప్తిరస్తు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
Thank you very much. I think our team missed few important plaques over there, and Prasad Garu has 1 more surprise that comes from Upendra Garu. But before that, I want to call here Srinivas Eemani Garu, Pratap Jakka, and also from Sridhar Reddy Tikkavarapu. He is on a hat trick. He is also our trustee from Pennsylvania. He sponsored 3 eye camps. 2 are already completed, and he's going to 3rd camp. And also Pratap's daughter is our youth committee member, Preetika Jakka. Preetika, please come on to the dais. And also New York CVP, I can see in front of me Dr. Bhavani Srinivasan. Dr. Bhavani Srinivasan received recognition from Prasad Reddy Garu. Oh, he is all full. So his hands are full. So she is our chapter vice president from New York. Thank you, Dr. Bhavani. Thanks for your patience. Pratap Jakka, he has already paid for the iCamp, but we could not schedule last year. He is waiting after contributing. He will receive recognition from Prasad Reddy garu. Meeru Thank you. Tarvata Pratap's daughter, Pratap, you can stay here. Pritika Jakka, please give her a big round of applause. She's been raising funds for Sankarnetralaya every year. So almost she contributed so far $10,000 as a student, and she has lot of energy. So we need her in the youth committee. Thank you, Pritika Jakka. And now Sridhar Reddy Tikavarapu. Sridhar, like I said, he is on a hat trick. He did 2 camps. One camp he went in person to Nellore. Second camp his brother taken care of it. Third camp he sponsored and waiting to schedule. And also when we did in Dallas NATA convention, Dr. Prem Reddy meet and greet, we raised $375,000. Sridhar was the key person in that event. Thank you, Sridhar. Srinivas, I want to tell only one liner. Mr. Perfection. So whatever he will do 100%. So thank you, Srinivas. Thank you.
Friends, it's Women's Month, so we definitely as a community would like to recognize and appreciate other women who have excelled in their be it careers or studentship. So I would like to call upon Twisha Gontina. She's won the Miss Teen South Asia World and has made a meaningful impact within the pageant community. And she has performed in numerous productions and at events such as IFA Awards. Through her pageant journey, she serves as a pageant coach and judge, mentoring and empowering the next generation of contestants. Awesome, Twisha. Congratulations. Awesome. One question, Twisha, how did you maintain, or what would you tell the kids here to, how would you inspire them? Quick, just one sentence.
Keep doing what you love. For me, it was dance. I stayed passionate with it, and I think that's brought me to be where I am today. So whatever it is that you're passionate for, keep doing it and stick with it, and that will give it back right to you. Thank you.
Thank you, Nana. Doing an awesome job, inspiring the kids as well as yourself, making mom and dad proud. Thank you. Next, I would like to call Nandini Dargula. An awesome achievement at, should I say the age? Closing 50. She has done a Kuchipudi Ranga Pravesham, a classical. So yeah, definitely needs a appreciation from all of us. Awesome, Nandini. In spite of the black pain and all that, please. Kuchipudi Nityan chesindi solo ga dance debut. It's not an easy task to perform with 2 kids, right? And a working mom. And awesome job, Nandini. We're really very, very proud of you. Any more achievers out there? I'm sure every mom is achieving. But yeah, we could only recognize a few.
Same time, I would like to invite Usha Datspudi. She runs the Tory show. Any local programs she promotes. So before the event, she called me, Balagaru, I want to do Wednesday Tory show to promote the New Jersey event. Please, Usha, please come on to the dais. She is also supporting, and Usha and her husband Subhash, right? He is also here today. Thanks to both of them. Thanks for your support. Thank you. Thank you, Usha. And next I would like to take care of few more. Today's trustees from New Jersey. Today's trustees means they organize today's program, but they are going to run the New Jersey event for years to come. First I would like to recognize Sudhakar Upalagaru. He is our trustee from New Jersey. Please get plaque, shawl, bouquet. Everybody knows Sudhakar Garu he was the past TFAS, and also he is also NRI Vasavi, some key role, and now he is with this Sankarnetralaya Board of Trustees, and also he is my 2-year senior in JNTU Hyderabad. So thank you Sudhakar Garu. Next I want to recognize today's trustee Indira Sriram Garu. Please Yeah, please support. See, this kind of a big was possible only because of these organizers. You need to support them. If you clap, they will do one more. Thank you. And we have nice dinner, songs from Anjana Soumya and Ramu. So please be patient. Thank you, Indira Garu. Next, Damu Gedala Garu. Also, he is Nurilla Pujari, friend of everybody. New Jersey lo ye event aina, he will play the key role. Damu Gedala Gariki recognition from Prasad Reddy Garu. In fact, he has no title in Shankar Netralaya. He did not put any less time compared to the trustees Indira Garu and Sudhakar Garu. He did lot of work. Thank you, Damu Garu. You truly deserve this recognition. Thank you. And last but not the least, Pramila Gopu, who helped us on the technical side, media point of view. Not just today. She's been supporting for almost 10 years all the medias when we telecast in TV5, Sakshi, Mana TV, all the medias. It goes from her. Now we have a dedicated person, Shyam Appali, who is our Executive Vice President. He is doing a very Thank you. And also today's MC, our friend and Dallas trustee, he is like the pillar of Dallas chapter, Dr. Reddy Urmindi. Please give him a round of applause. He is running Tory show every Sunday, 1 hour, 30 minutes he dedicates for Shankar Netralaya. తర్వాత then we have our treasurer from Atlanta, Murthy Rekapalli garu. Please come on to the dais, please. This person never gives a reimbursement unless you provide the proper receipts. Thank you, Murthy garu. Thank you. Now we would like to recognize Sri Datta Peetham founder chairman Raghu Garu, please.
ప్రతిసారి రఘు గారు మా అందరికి సన్మానం చేస్తున్నారు. మేము రఘు గారికి సన్మానం చేయడం మా అదృష్టంగా భావిస్తున్నామండి.
You got the recognition, but say 1 minute or in what you did so far for SN and what do you want to do for Shankar Netralaya. 1 minute.
Hi everyone, my name is Prithika Jaka and I'm a 10th grader at New Hope Solbury High School. So as we move further into the 2026 school year, I would like to take a moment to recap what an amazing year we had in 2025 and reflect on the meaningful impact made through community, service, and collaboration. As a youth board member of Shankar Netralaya USA, this past year marked an important chapter of my journey of leadership, advocacy, and service, particularly through contributions to the MESU program. Including the generous contributions of family, friends, and community members, I am proud to share that we raised a total of $9,000 in 2025. This accomplishment would not have been possible without the continued guidance and encouragement of my parents, family, and friends, whose mentorship throughout this journey was invaluable. I am deeply thankful to my family for their unwavering support, hands-on involvement, and belief in this mission, as well as to every student, volunteer, and donor who helped make this year a success. Thank you to everyone who made 2025 such a meaningful and impactful year. We are excited and inspired as we look ahead to everything that 2026 has in store for this.
How is everybody doing? All right. I know you're all hungry, but we have a wonderful program. It's very important that we recognize all the sponsors, all the dance participants, and all the volunteers. And one thing I just want to say quickly is that, Helen Keller, I think she was quoted earlier. Helen Keller was born in Alabama and she was blind and she became deaf. But she wrote 14 books and she challenged the Lions Club that you have to become Knights of the Blind. So I want to congratulate Shankar Netralaya for being the champion for the blind, and So it's very important that each and every one of you have to support this organization, because giving the eyesight is a very important thing. There are many people in India who are suffering because they could do a lot better, but without the blind sight they don't have the resources. And so all these donations are going and helping them. So please reach out, be generous and help out. Thank you and God bless you. Now I'm going to invite our chief guest, Prasad Reddy Garu. Please come, and we want to please sit down, and we want please come. So he has been one of the most generous donors, and he flew all the way from Texas to help us. He sees the value. One thing we have in common, not the money, but we come from Nellore. I just want to tell you that. And so I have a joint Senate and Assembly resolution from the New Jersey state. I just want to quickly read a few words from that, because he has done so much for this organization. So it is from Senator Diagnan, various senators, Smith, Vitale and all that, and also Assembly members, McCoy, Drulis. And whereas Prasad Reddy, Kadam Reddy, a highly esteemed member of his community, will be recognized as chief guest by the New Jersey chapter of Shankar Netralaya during a special music and dance for the Vision event. So that's the event, Vision event on March 14th here, we are here. And the Senate and the General Assembly of the New Jersey state are pleased to acknowledge Prasad Reddy, Kadam Reddy Garu upon his felicitous occasion and commend his extraordinary entrepreneurship and selfless altruism, which has secured him prestigious awards. So today, as the CEO and of Twisted X Global Brands, a Western Life and for footwear, he has done tremendous things in terms of sustainability. So all those things are here. Because of the interest of time, I'm not going to read that. But this is most important. Within all spheres, Prasad Reddy, Kadam Reddy has established a model worthy of emulation and set a standard toward which others might strive. Now therefore be it resolved by the Senate and General Assembly of the state of New Jersey that this legislature hereby salutes Prasad Reddy, Kadam Reddy, pays tribute to his numerous meritorious record of leadership, commitment, and extends sincere best wishes, signed by the Senate President and the Speaker of the Assembly and the Secretary. I want to present this to Mr. Prasad Reddy Garu. I am really honored to give him that recognition.
And there are two sayings, Manava Seve, Madhava Seva, or Madhava Seve, Manava Seva. Some people believe in service to humanity is service to God. Some people believe in service to God is service to humanity. Prasad Reddy Garu is both. He goes to temple in Dallas every Saturday and does the prayer 1 hour. He built one temple in Grand Rapids, Michigan, and he donates to 13 non-profit organizations in Dallas, Texas. Every year, 13% of his company profits, more than $2 million he's been doing every year. Every year, more than $2 million in Dallas, Texas. And of course, in India, we already said how much he's doing. So we are so fortunate to associate with Prasad Reddy Garu and Sobha Reddy Garu, and they are the backbone and pillar of our organization.
Very good. So, Bala Reddy Garu, please sit down. Yeah, so we want to felicitate you. Then you have to sit down. When the state recognizes you, you have to sit down, okay? So this is just a Senate resolution from Senator Andrew Zwicker, and again, similar wording, but all his dedication, all his service to the community. Thank you so much, and God bless you. This is from Office of the Mayor, Sam Joshi. He could not be here, and it's a proclamation from Township of Edison. So we're going to give it to him. Yeah.
All I want to say is I can give only the time, but I cannot give the money. He is our Kubera, Asthana Kubera. Prasad Reddy garu truly deserves this, but thank you very much. Thanks to New Jersey, thanks to Upendra Chukala garu, thanks to Damu Gedala garu and the team Indira garu and Sudhakar garu for all the work. And we have wonderful entertainment. We are waiting on the two popular playback singers.
It is my pleasure to invite the duo of the evening, Anjana Soumya and of course Ramu. Both are wonderful singers, not only in just Telugu but they have moved into other languages. Welcome to Ramu garu and Anjana Soumya garu.
సర్వేంద్రియాణం నయనం ప్రధానం అంటారు. ఆ చూపు వచ్చినప్పుడు వాళ్ళు ఎంత సంతోషపడతారో, వాళ్ళ ఫ్యామిలీతో వాళ్ళు ఎంత ఆనందంగా గడుపుతారో, ఆ వెనక మీ దాతృత్వం, ఆ దాతని గుర్తు చేసుకుంటారు. అది మీ జన్మధన్యం. ముందుగా ఆ శంకరుణ్ణి ప్రార్థించి ఒక భక్తి గీతం. శంకరా నాద శరీరా పరా వేద విహార జీవేశ్వర శంకరా నాద శరీరా పరా వేద విహార జీవేశ్వర
సన్నుతి సేగా సమ్మతి నీయరా దొరా సన్నిధి చేరగా ఆనతి నీయరా హరా సన్నుతి సేగా సన్నిధి నీయరా దొరా సన్నిధి చేరగా ఆనతి నీయరా హరా
చినుకులారాలి నదులుగా సాగి వరదలైపోయి కడలిగా పొంగు నీ ప్రేమ, నా ప్రేమ, నీ పేరే నా ప్రేమ. నదివి నీవు కడలి నేను మరిచిపోబోకుమా, మమత నీవే సుమా.
చినుకులారాలి నదులుగా సాగి వరదలైపోయి కడలిగా పొంగు నీ ప్రేమ, నా ప్రేమ, నీ పేరే నా ప్రేమ.
இளையனிலா ஒழிகிறதே இதயம் வரை நரைகிறதே. సంగపతుల కాడ సంపంగిన పిండి అందగట్టెను చూడ జాబిల్లి వచ్చింది. మప్పు పట్టే కళ్ళు తందిప్పులయ్యే ఒళ్ళు ఎవరికిస్తుందో ఏమవుతుందో, అరెరెరెరె ఎవరికిస్తుందో ఏమవుతుందో.
సంగపతుల కాడ సంపంగిన వింది అందగాడికి తోడు చలిగాలిన మంది ఎల్లుమయ్యే నీడు ఏడికి పోయేవాడు ఎన్నడు వస్తాడో ఏమిస్తాడో, ఎన్నడు వస్తాడో ఏమిస్తాడో.
సూది సూది సువ్వారమ్మ సీతారమ్మ, సూవి 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 సువ్వారమ్మ. సీతాలమ్మ.
దయ్య సామి ఇట్ట కాస్తాది ఎన్నెలా ఊపేస్తా ఉంది సిత్తరాల ఉయ్యాల వీచే గాలికి అత్తర తిందెవరో మరి జాముకి ఒక్క పెట్టిందెవరో మాయదారి మనసాగలో అల్లవియాల తడిసిపోయారా తడి మెరిసిపోయారా ఈ చిలిపి కనుల్లో పడి మురిసిపోయారా తడిసిపోయారా తడి మెరిసిపోయారా ఈ చిలిపి కనుల్లో పడి మురిసిపోయారా. ఏం సాంగ్ ఏ సాంగ్ ఎవరైనా చెప్పగలరా? ఏ సాంగ్ విచ్ సాంగ్ ఇస్ దిస్? రెండు కళ్ళ సిగ్గు వినవు గుండె షేలో దూకేసినావు అలల మూట నిప్పేసినావు ఎంత చక్కగున్నావే లక్ష్మి ఎంత చక్కగున్నావే మప్పులని మెరుపు వినువు నేల మీద నడిసేసినావు నన్ను నింగిసేసేసినావు ఎంత చక్కగున్నావే లక్ష్మి ఎంత చక్కగున్నావే.
బలపం పట్టి భామ పళ్ళు ఆహై నేర్చుకుంటా పంతం పట్టి ప్రేమ ముళ్ళు ఆహా ఓ పాడుకుంటా అమ్మహా అంటా అమ్మడు హొయ్యరే హొయ్యరే హొయ్ అమ్మహా ఉండేటప్పుడు బుజ్జి పాపాయి పాఠాలు నేర్పించు పైటమ్మ ప్రణయాలతో
సరసమింక ఎక్కువైతే చాచి తప్పదయో అప్పుడే ఇంత ప్రేమ వాళ్ళు అయితే ఇది ఎందుకయో అచ్చులే అయ్యా ఎప్పుడు హొయ్యారే హొయ్యారే హల్లో హల్లో ఎప్పుడు ఆకాశం ఈనాటిదో అనురాగం ఆనాటిది ఆకాశం ఈనాటిదో అనురాగం ఆనాటిది ఆవేశం ఈనాడు కలిగెను ఆనాడే తెలిసిందది ఆవేశం ఈనాడు కలిగెను ఆనాడే తెలిసిందది ఆకాశం ఈనాటిదో అనురాగం ఆనాటిది ఆకాశం ఈనాటిదో అనురాగం ఆనాటిది హిమగిరి సొగసులు మురిపించును మనసులు హిమగిరి సొగసులు మురిపించును మనసులు చిగురించునేమో ఏవో ఊహలు హిమగిరి సొగసులు మురిపించును మనసులు.
లలిత కళారాధనలో వెలిగే చిరుదివ్వెను నేను లలిత కళారాధనలో వెలిగే చిరుదివ్వెను నేను మధుర భారతి
పద సన్నిధిలో మధుర భారతి పద సన్నిధిలో ఒదిగే తొలి పూను నేను ఒదిగే తొలి పూను నేను లలిత కళారాధనలో వెలిగే చిరుదివ్వెను నేను
గారి చేతుల మీదుగా ఈరోజు మనల్ని అలరిస్తున్న ఇద్దరు సింగర్స్కి ఆత్మీయ సత్కారం. ముందుగా రాము గారికి అండ్ తర్వాత అంజనా సౌమ్య గారు శంకరనేత్రాలయకి లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ ఫండ్ రైజర్లో షీ పర్ఫార్మ్డ్ ఇన్ 6 cities. నౌ థ్యాంక్ యూ అంజనా. మీరు ఇవ్వండి. షీ ఈస్ ద క్లాసికల్లీ ట్రైన్డ్ సింగర్. ఐ ఆస్క్డ్ హర్ 2 toughest songs. ఎందుకంటున్నానంటే సుశీల గారు రామకృష్ణ గారు అట్లాంటాకి వచ్చినప్పుడు టెంపుల్లో ఆవిడ వెనకాల దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి బాబు ఏం పాట కావాలో అడుగంది. అంటే కర్ణా సినిమాలో గాలికి కులమేది పాడండి అంటే నేను పాడలేను బాబు అంది. ఈవిడకి మీరజాల గలడ పాడంటే ఒక్క రోజులో నేర్చుకొని పాడింది. నీలీల పాడేద దేవా ఎస్ జానకి టఫెస్ట్ ఎస్ జానకి సాంగ్ అది కూడా 1 weekలో ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసి పాడింది. సో షీఈ్ సమ్వన్. అండ్ మన బాలుగారి పేరు చెప్పగానే పూనకం వచ్చే రాము గారికి మీరు కొన్ని ఘంటసాల పాటలు పాడితేనే అంటే ఆయన అన్నీ నేర్చుకొని వచ్చేసారు. సో వీఆర్ సో హ్యాపీ దిస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ సింగర్స్. We will definitely bring them again next year. Thank you very much for your support and they are going to sing few more songs. Please grab your food and enjoy. Thank you.
I want to invite all the volunteers and Suresh Makangaru, Jai Manda, Suresh Gauri Shetty, Ravi Appana, Narun Vijay Appana, Shweta Nagireddy, Nandini Dargula. Please come on to the stage. Jyoti Bikkumalla. మీరు వాలంటీర్స్ కదా, మీరు మరి మీది మీ బొకేలు తర్వాత మీ షాల్స్ మీరే తెచ్చుకోవాలి.
సూపర్ జోక్ ఆఫ్ ద డే సుధాకర్ గారు చెప్పారు, వాలంటీర్స్ కదా మీ బొకేస్ మీ షాల్స్ మీరే తెచ్చుకోండి అన్నాడు. సో దట్ ద బెస్ట్ వన్ ఐ హర్డ్ టుడే. యా వెరీ గుడ్ వెరీ గుడ్. ఒక్కొక్క ట్రస్టీ కోట్ ఇవ్వండి, వాళ్ళు ఒక్కొక్కరికి వాలంటీర్ చేస్తారు. మూర్తి గారు అందరు మీరు ఆది గారు డోంట్ ఆర్గనైజ్డ్గా రండి. స్టాండ్ ఇన్ ఏ రో. ఏం పాట కావాలంటే శోభ గారికి? ఓకే 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 రేపు కొలంబస్లో పాడిద్దాం తన ఇష్టమైన. ఓకే ఒకసారి వాలంటీర్స్కి సపోర్ట్లు కొట్టండి. నెక్స్ట్ ఈవెంట్కి మీరు కూడా మా వాలంటీర్స్లో కానీ మా టీంలో కానీ భాగంగా అండి. లేదు మేము చాలా బిజీగా ఉన్నామంటే యూ మేక్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ మనీ అండ్ రైట్ చెక్ టు అస్. థ్యాంక్